Good morning, painty friends. Welcome to another Tuesday Tip at 10. I'm Gretchen Fleener with paintertainment.com. And today's tip is another way you can use thrift store finds to help organize your gear. This is something that I often find at thrift stores, garage sales. These are little bungee holders, and this is what they're meant for. They're meant for organizing little cords and dongles and things like that. So here's another one, okay, with some earbuds and things in them. But they basically are just like a panel with a bunch of bungee, little bungee loops, and you can just stuff things in there. They have a little rubber grippy on them, and so you can just stuff things in all different directions. This one even has a zipper pocket on the back, but I like to use these to organize some of my little paint gear. So you can see I use them for my stencil brushes, my other just short handle brushes. I also love them for daubers and lollipop blenders. I've got my little Deb's Daughters here. It's just a great way to organize things in your bag. So I can stuff this in my backpack, my kit bag, pull it out and just see everything here. You do have to kind of be careful how you feed things in to make sure they stay good, but they really do stay in there pretty well if you find the right spot. Some of them, like this one, even has Velcro straps on the back. I don't know what you can do with those. I think it's meant to attach to your visor maybe in your car. But next time you're at the thrift store, check out the electronics and organizer kind of aisle. You might find some of these. They come in all shapes and sizes and colors as well. I love the red ones. So another fun thing to keep an eye out. Put it on your thrift store list next time you're there. See if you can find one. They're a great tool for organizing a kit with lots of little loose ends inside. I hope this helps you organize your kit on a low budget. Let me know if you find one in the comments or what you use yours for. I would love to hear from you. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again next Tuesday for another Tip at 10.